guys, today we are going to be unboxing my new MSI GeForce RTX 2060 Gaming Z graphics card. Right now I have a 1050 Ti in my build and it's now time for an upgrade. So I bought this new MSI GeForce RTX 2060 Gaming Z. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this graphics card. Let me just grab scissors. Guys, look at this. We have it. So what we have here now, again, is a GeForce RTX 2060 Gaming Z. Alright guys, so now let's open this beast, okay? We got an envelope with instruction manuals. We have like a comic book. We got stickers. And now it's here, guys. Wow. Yo, look at this, man. Play hard, stay silent. Whoa, oh my god, dude. This looks really cool. God dang, look at the, oh my god, look at the freaking design. The fan looks really cool. The back plate, look at the back plate, man. Is that metal? I think that's metal. I don't know. But wow, look at this. Yo, this is alright. So my first impression of this is it's really like slick, right? It's really slick, compact, and it's a little heavy. It's not heavy, but well built. Yeah, very beautiful. This card looks great, man. So you have 3 display ports, 1, 2, 3, and a HDMI. And you also need, there's a 8-pin connector